Bill Christian High School was established in 1998. It is a Christian college prep high school. We have about 160 students. We have an international program as well. We focus on Jesus Christ, academics, arts, and athletics. The security needs are unique. We have 2 large buildings on a 7-acre campus. There's pretty much easy access onto campus, so having secure buildings is a priority.
PDK was recommended to VCHS because it's a made in the USA cloud-based product. It offers an open API with secure and trusted integrations. It's very easy to set up, troubleshoot, and program for both the end user and the installer. I helped the end user set up people, schedules, system events, different rules in the system. And then from there, I just went out and deployed all the other red panels with no downtime. It also offers real-time events, which are very important in a school security application.
We have more than 30 doors and monitoring points that we can keep track of. We get notified instantaneously if that door has been propped open for more than 30 seconds. That comes to me directly, so that allows me to be able to know what doors are open when and be able to react quickly.
A mobile-first access control system was absolutely crucial for us. We are consistently walking around the building, we're interacting with teachers, we're working on different projects, and we need to be able to manage the system from wherever we are at. The Bluetooth credentials are really kind of a beta for us at this point, but initial results are fantastic. The main reason for that is that they're easy to assign, they're easy to manage. Our users just really appreciate having something convenient and quick to be able to buzz in and buzz out as they need.
Lockdown functionality is very important. I'd put it in the category of extreme and essential. It can be done by any individual. It can be done through a duress pin on a keypad. It can be done with a panic button. It can also be done if a gunshot or a loud noise is heard or a glass breaking. Those all initiate the lockdown. Without a lockdown functionality, ourselves and emergency services can't respond and react rapidly to a threat.
The intuitive interface of PDK simplifies our management extensively. Ultimately, we wanted to have a system that was easy to manage and that would be utilized by our faculty, that would be utilized by our students. And having something that is easy to manage and easy to control is absolutely crucial in that. And PDK is exceptional as far as just the quality and the ease of use in their software.